This store has generated over $200,000 while this one has generated over $100,000 in a few months by selling simple digital products on Etsy. The business idea of selling digital products has unlimited potential because it requires zero investment and zero inventory. You can start selling your products in a matter of minutes with the power of free AI tools. You need to follow all the 4 steps that I provide in this tutorial, with the 4th one being the most important. I will guide you through the step-by-step process of launching a similar business with the help of free AI tools. Printable flashcards for kids. Flashcards are a fun and engaging way for kids to learn by matching the images with the relevant words, which could be animals, alphabets, numbers, colors, and many more. If you search for printable flashcards on Etsy, you will notice that there's a high demand for it but very low competition. So this is a great moment to enter the market and start selling this product. This seller listed farm animal flashcards, while another seller listed alphabet flashcards. The listing I just showed have lots of positive reviews, which show that the product is selling well. The potential to generate profits with this business idea are endless. Now let's start by brainstorming ideas for crafting your own flashcards. The first step will be by browsing on Etsy and manually checking for your competitors' listings. So you simply check things like the title being used, the images, product description, and pricing. Then go through the reviews and read what people like and what they don't like, because this will help you create something better than your competitors. Another way you can generate unique flashcard ideas is by using free AI tools like ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 flashcard ideas for kids in the animal niche. ChatGPT gave me many cool ideas with the descriptions explaining each one. We can now create something about animal names, animal sounds, baby animals, and so on. I really like the animal name idea since we saw on Etsy that similar listings are selling well. ChatGPT gave me 20 animals that we could create as flashcards. Once your product idea is ready, the next step is to turn your idea into a finished product. Now we have to start creating the images for the flashcards. To generate animal images, I prefer using Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is the best free AI image generator in terms of customization options and image quality. You can also use other alternative AI tools like Midjourney if you already have a paid subscription. To generate AI images, we need to write the prompt, which is capable of generating unique and professional images. I like to keep my prompts simple and split them into 3 different sections: subject, style, and customization. Based on ChatGPT, the first image would be a dog, so my prompt subject will be a cute dog. Since we are creating animal images for kids, I think the Disney cartoon style will sell more. For the customization part, I would like my design to be on a white background because I will remove the background later. You can also include customization options like quality and resolution. Here's how the image came out using Leonardo AI, and I think the images look very professional and unique. So now all you have to do is repeat the process until you finish generating all the animal pictures. Once you have completed this step, you can move to the most important step, which is designing the flashcards on Canva. Canva has a free tool to help you design printable flashcards for free. Search for Canva Flashcard Maker on Google, then open the first link. This will take you to the Canva Flashcard Maker page. You can either click on Create a Flashcard or click on Animal Flashcard to directly view all the animal flashcard templates. Canva provides unique flashcard templates which you can edit and use. Select the best template you like and click on Customize this template. First, you need to upload all the animal images on Canva. Now replace all the template images with your generated animal images. Simply drag and drop the images into the template. Now we need to remove the background of this image. First, click on Edit Photo, then click on Busy Remover to remove the background with only one click. Then adjust the size of the image and make it fit the card properly. Now change the text label. Finally, repeat the same process until you finish designing all the animal flashcards. Change all the cards color to make it look more appealing. You can also change the font style if you don't like the current one. After creating all the flashcards, we need to create 2 more versions of the flashcards, one with animal images and the other with only word labels. Once you have all 3 versions of the flashcards ready, first click on Share, then click on Download. Then change the file type as a PDF print and then click on Download. Now you have successfully created your printable flashcards. Next step is to list the products on Etsy. Watch this video to learn the step-by-step process of creating a new store on Etsy and to better understand the full listing process. So now the main driving factor to make sales on Etsy as a new seller is by marketing your product. If we look at our competitors, they only provide a bunch of flashcards, nothing else. So what you can do is offer something for free. You can include a small gift with your product. I want to gift a small coloring book of animals with at least 5 to 10 coloring pages. You can use this prompt to generate the coloring pages using Leonardo AI. Next, use Canva to design your coloring book and download as PDF print. Upload it alongside your digital product on Google Drive. As you just started selling on Etsy, your product needs visibility from potential customers. So start selling your digital products on social media like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You should also sell your digital product at a discount to attract more customers. As the digital products you created don't cost you any money, you can give a very high discount without any loss. Now keep making different designs and then list them on Etsy to start seeing results within a few days. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments.